naging much awaited sa katatawanan, much awaited sa hiligan, at much awaited na sinusubaybayan para lang mapanood ang bagong pambansang teleserye ng bayan. At ngayon, mga much-awaited na mga eksena ay kasama ng much-awaited na bagong kabarkada. Nicole as Hannah, ang apple of the eye ni Sam Joseph as Sambo, the sweetheart ni Hannah, at Robbie as Vincent. May super crush naman kay Hannah. Isang much-awaited young and sweet love triangle na kapapanagin ito gabi-gabi. Sige, tira-tira na sa asa mo. Sama ang mga bagong kabarkada ng My Girl. Ito sina Nico, Annika, Christine, Jeffrey, Sheila, Jasmine, at Julian.
Second best. I saw the world flashing all around your face. Never really know when it was always mission race. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You see the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You should know that. Dream of better lives, the kind which never hate. You should see trapped in the state of imaginary grace. You should know that. I made a pilgrimage to save this human race. Never comprehending the race was long gone by. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I see some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Moving forward, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world flashing all around your face. Never really knowing it was always mission race. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You see the difference, but it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you.
Alright! Well, let's all welcome ang My Girls Barkada, Alex, David, Regina, and Sean, Nina, Gerald, and our very own My Girl, Miss Kim Chu.
Yes, and plus, they have a new barkada. They have new friends. Robbie, Nicole, and Yosef. Welcome to the My Girl family.
Alright, Robbie, Nicole, and Yosef, noong experience sa first time acting?
It was really fun working with the My Girl cast.
Kinabahan ba kayo?
Medyo.
Inaalagaan po kami ng My Girl cast and My Girl staff boy.
Okay, well, Kim and Gerald, ano naman ang message niyo para sa mga newbies natin?
Ayun guys, I just hope you guys are having fun. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa set. And yun, we'll do this all together. So yun.
Alright.
Yes, ako, ayan, bagong abang ang kabarkada ng My Girls, si Nicole, Robbie, and Yosef. Mag-enjoy sila dahil masaya naman ang My Girl barkada. Kaya panoorin niyo po yan gabi-gabi sa Primetime Vida pagkatapos po ng isa pa lamang. At mamaya sa Robinson's Imos, kasama po kaming lahat. Magkita-kita po tayo doon.
Yeah, of course. And yung soundtrack ng My Girl, I know you have a song there about it. So yun, it's still out. It's from ASAP Music and Star Records. So try to grab a copy. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Up next po, special birthday celebration for Raver Cruz with Beauty for and his very special guest. Dito lang yan sa ASAP
Kiligin araw-araw. Dahil ang paborito niyong teleserye sa primetime bida, ngayon ay may original soundtrack na. My Girl, original soundtrack, Star Records and ASAP Music. 6 na kantang magpapakinig at magpapa-inlove sa inyo ng todo. May chance din kayong makita sina Jasmine at Julian kasama ang buong cast ng My Girl. July 20, Robinsons Imus, Cavite. July 26, CSI Tagupa. July 27, SM Santa Rosa, Laguna. August 3, SM Iloilo. Tira-tira! Dahil gusto nyo ba? Ito na sila, Hu Kwang by popular demand. Get your tickets now!